How we doing, guys? So we're doing another live session. Love to everyone showing love. Same thing again, repetition. We're gonna go through this again. So what we're doing today is same thing what we've been doing, character designing. So I'm gonna show you one of my previous characters I've designed. I'm gonna show you how I done that. This is a character I call Gozif. Gozif is a giraffe, and he's mainly like a rectangular character. He's mainly a rectangular character. So he's actually a giraffe. So the anatomy shifts, and he has a longer neck than, as you would guess, a giraffe's got a long neck than normal humans would, but he's a upstanding giraffe, so he stands up, so everything else is the same. So he has normal arms and normal legs in that manner. So as you can see, he's a rectangular character. And the shoulders on there. I don't know if this is lagging, but it's moving a bit slow, so I don't know if it's lagging for you lot. But yeah, so this is Gozif, the giraffe. This is Gozif simplified. I've got no details, and this is where his mouth goes. And Gozif personality is more like a laid back character, just chill, nonchalant, calm and bothered type of character. He's a stressed as well, so he's got that going for him. But as you can see, when you slowly start adding the details, just make sure that this is lined up properly, and then there you have that. Yeah. Okay. So and then there it is. I know the giraffes it goes up, but this is my character, and I design my character how I want to design my character. That's the beauty of character design, you know what I mean? So here, you get to design your character. Leave that method in here. Okay, there we go. So once you get comfortable with your shapes, you can create your own character, and then in this world, he's got a mate that I'll draw after as well. So this is his giraffe spots that goes around. And he goes as the best. Yeah, he's got a friend, and his friend is called Croc. So this is Croc. Croc is more like outgoing, more like jokey, goofy character. He's more like a goofy character. He's not stressed like Gozif. Gozif is stressed. So you have Croc again. you just break it down into shape. It's a crocodile, so it's got a big sticking out jaw. You want to call it jaw or the muzzle or whatever. So we just simplify it with the shapes. Again, so this is Golzif and Golzif. Not Golzif, sorry. Croc. As you can tell by the name, is a crocodile. But Croc is a naughty criminal. He sells substance that he shouldn't be selling. So this is just a quick demo to say that, you know, sometimes you'll be doing these stuff and then you think, oh, it's going nowhere. Just want to show you it in practice, and how far you can take it is up to you, or how far you want to take it is up to you. So let's just color these in quickly. Just a quick one, just so you get look at like how they look, what colors I chose for them, etc. Because once you color it in as well, it brings more to life. It looks better. Just a quick one. Not that red. Needs to be pink. This is blue, light blue. Yeah, so this is a quick one, because I remember when I was first doing that, like, yo bro, you're not getting nowhere, but you are getting somewhere. You're just building up your visual library, and you're just building up your skills, and then they're gonna accumulate. Once they accumulate, you'll be good to go, you know. It's green, as you guessed. Okay. Yeah, make it yellow. Yeah, so there you have it. This is a short one. Show you guys what you can do, and I'm out. Show love, subscribe and like, you know what I'm saying? Push up the algorithm for me, if that's how it works. Appreciate it.